Yes, sir. Tattoo is a permanent mark,
Hmm.
and yes, sir. And anyone like
Hmm.
if anyone like if anyone too much like any any pictures, any words and line, he do mark in in your body.
Hmm.
Tattoo colored is black, but nowadays
Hmm.
get tattoo color is different type, like green, red, and yeah, and uh, in future anyone removed her tattoo, uh, they can do laser treatment.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
yeah, most
Hmm.
I think it should not tattoo marks in our body,
On our
because
body.
it is affected on our bodies. It is affected uh, our bodies in future.
Hmm.
if you if you uh, if you want to donate your blood, but that
That.
reason of marks, you cannot donate your blood.
Hmm. Very good. Very nice. Okay, so we can say, even in my thinking, same thinking like Sunita, that I don't find them attractive. I have no plans to get one. If anyone else wants to get
Hmm.
ink, that's their skin. So I think that it's not very interesting, because a lot of complication after that. You maybe will have virus after that. You know. So I think that tattoo is not
Yes.
good for the health. Also, we should not do it. And some people think that it's like artwork. There is a whole lot of crap out there. Occasionally, there are one or two. There are really gorgeous, but I don't think so. Especially, I don't love tattoos, because when I listen the story, when the people they had tattoos and after that they have a lot of viruses, and they are not be able to donate their blood. They can't donate their blood even because they have tattoos. So better to get rid of, to avoid the tattoos. Okay, very good, very nice. Okay, next question is from Tanya. Tanya, what's your favorite number and why?
Um, my favorite number is 3 because it's my lucky number.
Uh-huh.
Because it's my birthday date.
Uh-huh.
Um, birthday date.
Hmm.
Um,
Mm-hmm.
if someone ever gives me choose a number, I always choose 3 um, number because it's my birthday date.
Hmm.
Um, Sometimes I think it's a lucky number for me. So always I
Hmm.
choose 3 number.
Hmm. Okay. So your lucky number is 3, right? And you want it always. Okay, so
Exactly.
Sunita, what's your favorite way to waste time? What's your favorite way to waste time?
Mm, I
I
nothing, sir. I am not do
Hmm.
anything
Hmm.
because
Hmm.
every time. Uh,
So suppose it's not necessary to waste your time. Suppose you are in a bus or in a train or anywhere where you have nothing to do anything. Then how will you waste your time? With which
well,
way?
sir, well, sir, when I am on my transport, where I saw, um, uh,
नहीं सुनीता, मैं करूंगी ना इसमें
I will,
पूछा था, उसमें will का प्रयोग करना है,
I
मैं कैसे
will,
करूंगा?
I will, yes, sir, I will sing around my
हम्म
around my things,
हम्म
and I also I
हम्म
will also sing what around me.
हम्म
And be silent and think about uh, what I do
हम्म
previous time.
जब आपकी बात खत्म हो
And
जाए क्लास में बोल रहे हैं, सुनो, जब आपकी
then
बात खत्म हो जाएगी ना, जब आपको हो गया कि अब मैं बोल पा रही हूँ या नहीं आइडिया आ रहा, तो आपने बोला दैट्स, ठीक है, दैट्स इट का मतलब बस अभी इधर तक, ठीक है, लास्ट में अपने ये बोल देना। हम्म
when when I am in my transport, I will thinking about the uh, before work what I
हम्म
do.
हम्म
And after reaching home, I what I do. That's it.
What about Tanya? Tanya, tell me about the same.
Yes.
Please tell me the same thing. What's your favorite way to waste your time?
Okay, sir. I think, sir, this question only make for me because the is a very busy person. When
Keep it up. बहुत बढ़िया तन्या, मजा आ गया. Keep it up, बच्चे. हाँ, good. हम्म
when I come to the school,
हम्म
I always I I, I always see my phone, and
हम्म
I always check WhatsApp and
हम्म
story and status.
हम्म
Then then I free.
हम्म
Um, I listen music.
हम्म
And when I listen music,
हम्म
I do dance
हम्म
in Gadwali music and
हम्म
any music. And then I call my bestie. Then I think I talk to her. Um, I think half an hour. Um, then I enjoy my brother. And then sometimes I go to play football with my brothers.
Say
And
brothers. Say brothers, not
yes,
brother. Say brothers. Brothers. Okay? Right.
brothers.
Very
Okay,
nice.
sir.
Okay.
That's it, sir.
Okay. So if Tanya and Sunita will ask same question from me, then what will be my answer? My answer will watch YouTube videos for technologies, and this is to know where the future might be and understand the future faster. Thus, you can invest into the technology trend. Watch motivational
Yes, sir.
videos on YouTube to change your mindset, attitude toward working, overcoming life challenges, positivity, and happiness. Writing answers questions with respect to your field. Like I'm an English teacher, as you know very well, Sunita and Tanya. So I will go ahead to enhance my more practice and more knowledge, so that you will more understand very easily rather than a very difficult way. Because if I will not know anything, then how I will give you the teaching? So best way for me to enhance myself with my time. So also my time wastage and non-time wastage is the same. So reading high quality answer questions to enrich yourself and increase my knowledge. Write positive messages to my friends, family members, someone who are online, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, to encourage them and bring positivity towards them to tighten up their day. Doing some exercise with yoga and pranayama, as I told you before, that how to meditation and how to hold, inhale and outhale your pranayama. And by this technique, you will win over your overthinking and your aggressiveness and whatever you have. So doing some exercise steps, proceed with regards to online exercise tutorials to explore to more new exercises more effectively. There are many choices, and of course there are more things to do on the internet that you can burn your time. Are you satisfied with my answers?
Yes, sir. You are great, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Okay, next question is again, Sunita. Do you want to have any pets?
No, sir. I have no handbags.
Okay. Okay, tell me, where did you go last weekend, or where did you go last time, and what did you do there?
Actually, sir, I'm not going last weekend. I'm late.
Okay, same question from Tanya. Tanya, where did you go last weekend or any time? Not only the weekend, last time, if I am not wrong. So, what did you do here?
Okay, sir. I think I had gone. I had gone play kabaddi. I had gone kabaddi match.
I had gone.
Then
I had gone to cricket.
we enjoyed a lot there.
Mhm.
And yes, sir. And we won. The, and there are people. There are people were talking me and my team. You did very well, and people asked
People, not
me.
people already is a plural, बच्चे, ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Asked me where are you from, and yeah, I think I bring I brought a speaker. Yeah, and we did dance. Yeah.
Okay.
So
So,
I have no lot of memory because that day I was headache.
I had. Okay, you
So
could
headache.
headache. Okay, no worries. Okay. So the last weekend was really interesting because I did celebrate the birthday of my ex-student, and I planned a party for her along with her friends. So we reached at his place by 11:45, or we can say quarter to 12. So because we were thinking to give him a surprise, so we rang the bell of her door exactly at 12 in the night to give him a surprise. It was a very, very brief. So I think that you can also make it long, but for me it was my weekend, last weekend. All right. Okay. So Sunita and Tanya, I think both of you are tired like me. So better we will meet on Monday. Till then you can take rest, and I am giving you some homework now in WhatsApp, and you will have to fill up all these tenses. That's why I will understand that where you need to more practice. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
ओके, तो जो भी आज की क्लास के लिए आपने कुछ नया सीखा या आपकी जो भी अंदर से जो भी आवाज़ निकल रही है वो आप व्हाट्सएप पे टाइप करना, कि आपकी कुछ प्रोग्रेस हुई या नहीं हुई। ईमानदारी से, मुझे खुश करने के लिए नहीं, ये ताकि मुझे पता लगे कि आपको मुझे उसके आगे से भी कुछ कराना है, या जितनी आपकी सेटिस्फेक्शन है वो भी आपने लिखनी है उसमें, और जो चीज़ आपको चाहिए वो भी आपने लिखनी है। कई बार क्या होता है, स्टूडेंट बेचारा नहीं बता पाता शर्म के मारे कि सर क्या कहेंगे कि हमें ये चीज़ चाहिए लेकिन ये चीज़ नहीं हुई, लेकिन बाकी कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हाँ हम जो चाहते हैं उससे भी ज़्यादा हो जाता है, हमें अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ ये चीज़ हमारे मन मर्जी के मुताबिक चल रही है। ठीक है, तो आपने व्हाट्सएप पे मुझे लिखना है कि
Yes.
अच्छी लगी और जो चीज़ आपको मुझे ये आपने मुझे लिखना है व्हाट्सएप पे। ठीक है,
Okay.
आई विल वेट फॉर बोथ ऑफ यू। ठीक है, मनिंदर आ जाएगी परसों से, क्योंकि मनिंदर की तबीयत काफ़ी खराब है। आज सुबह उसको मैंने पढ़ाया था, थोड़ी देर पढ़ाई हो पाई, आधा घंटा, मनिंदर की आधा पौना घंटा, क्योंकि उसकी तबीयत कुछ खराब थी। तो मंडे को वो आ जाएगी, रेगुलर हो जाएगी। ठीक है, और शायद एक और लड़की आएगी, मीनाक्षी,
Yes,
तो
sir.
वो उत्तराखंड की है, पत्नी में किसी की, वो भी उत्तराखंड से ही है, वो भी आ जाएगी, मंडे से आएगी, वो एक दो दिन की आएगी। ठीक है, तो मैं भी आपके टाइम पे नहीं रखूंगा उसको, क्योंकि वो उसका कुछ और कोर्स है, उसका आपके वाला कोर्स है, उसका इंग्लिश में राइटिंग का कोर्स है, जो एडवांस राइटिंग होती है ना, उसके अंदर का कोर्स।
Yes.
तो चलो ठीक है, बाय फॉर नाउ, हैव ए नाइस टाइम, आई एम गिविंग यू सम होमवर्क फॉर टुमारो, जस्ट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, ओके, डोंट फॉरगेट।
Okay,
बाय
sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
बाय,